Yo guys, welcome back to Base Block Unbox. I got my JBL grip. We are in a pretty big field here, and I'm probably gonna have to make this quick because there are some other people here. It's not only me, but I got my JBL grip. I got max volume and max EQ. We're gonna be doing NCS Feel God for my watch. That's the only song I have, but let's see how loud this puppy goes. You can like hear it through the street. It's not bad. It's got like a decent sound stage. Probably about 5 meters away from the speaker. I can still hear it clear. I'm gonna turn it around to see how far we can get. I'm probably about, I don't know, 15, 20 meters away. I can decently hear this thing. It's definitely not bad. Let's try and go a bit farther. Now we're like 30 meters away. You can barely see it. That's my max zoom on my phone. That's how far away I am. I got an S24 by the way. But it was still pretty hearable. And when you get close, Alright, thanks guys for watching, and peace out.